What are you doing, Adam? Well, what are you finished doing?
Well, I don't know if I'm finished.
Hopefully.
This is the first time I've, well, it's the 1.5 time I've ever built a motor. So,
What happened the first time?
the first time I have built it, and then check using my shit. So I learned the hard way. So this one, I went all the way through. It's all, I got lucky and found a really low mileage engine to start with. And so I stripped it down to nothing and everything was in super good shape. So I was able to buy some good components and reassemble it for the first time. So hopefully things all went to plan and I didn't measure too poorly and things are gonna make good power tomorrow.
Well, I drove here, I don't know, drove here last week under its own power, did fine. It pulls in and I saw some smoke. I'm like, I look under it, I see some oil dripping. I'm like, And then, what was it?
So I dicked the rear main seal basically.
Yeah, he folded it over the end of the crank snout. So,
Yep.
dumb mistake. Thankfully, it didn't cause any damage, I don't think.
I don't think so.
Fixed it. I went out of town for a few days and I'm like, well, the car's here, the lift is yours. So, it's dinking up Evan's car because it's, yeah, I need a bigger shop. I'm working on that. I had a village meeting today. So, he's working on that while I cook my steak dinner. And then and tomorrow we make some noise. Hopefully, unless it's another issue.
Hope it doesn't douche again.
No, I think it's pretty good.
Day 2.
So, gotten a couple boost pulls in, got timing confirmed. Didn't need to film that, it's tedious. So now we're ready to go up and boost. Got the fan set up. Oh, he's hard at work over there. So, yeah, let's hope it stays together.
Number 16 total.
16. They messed up actually. They sent me 2 extra, but I'm not about it. Oh yeah, I signed up for wholesale tires because we use a lot of them and customer cars, etc. So if anyone needs tires, this guy will drop them off.
All right, so literally came in. Cody and Adam were, already at it because I was a little busy this morning. What are you guys up to?
Tuning Adam's car after he built his new engine.
Tuning Adam's car after he built the new engine. So yeah, here's the new engine for the 350. This thing looks crazy. So last time, well, he had to rebuild the engine because it blew up. What was the horsepower?
I guess the stock BG35s, they break rods at about 400 foot-pounds of torque. We didn't quite hit 400 foot-pounds because we spun in the dyno, so it didn't need 400 foot-pounds, but it was realistically probably, well, it was over 400 foot-pounds. So next time he took it out at a little track event, he spin a rod.
Yikes. Well, all right. I know you guys got some GoPro footage, so we'll throw that in there and let's see what this new thing can do. Dang, son. There it is.
Pretty happy with that.
Now it's time for a Buckley lap.
Yeah, I don't really know what I'll do with more than that. I don't know what I'll do with that. What was the boost at? Oh, you're pulling it up. Just curious.
Saw 35, take the 31 again. So 35 absolute. I saw a 21 in the map, the gauge or whatever.
The gauge pressure? Yeah.
There it is.
Yep.
That's a big difference.
So didn't come apart. Good job.
Yeah. Today's my lucky day, I think.
You worked through that one.
Yeah, I'm pretty happy. I'm excited. If I wasn't so tired, I'd be more excited, I think. But no, I'm really pumped. I'm looking forward to driving. It's been a long summer. I'm glad the next event next week with ND Drift is we have a couple of days of testing, a couple of days of practice. So I'm going to use every bit of that I can to sort of get back up to speed, and yeah, hopefully everything continues on the track that it is, and should have a really fun weekend.
Good job.
Thank you.